Okay, so after I've created all the tables and made all of the sample data, I can select all of the code here. And then after I do that, I can click on here to execute it. And after I've done that, it's just showed me that it was successful. So after I do that, I can select all of the records from each table. So there's all the customers, there's all the employees, there's all the records, this is all the order entries, and this is all of the order line entries. So after I've done that, I can get to some of the queries I discussed. So this one inserts a new record into the table. And after I've done that, you can see there's a new record with the record ID number 11. And so after I've done that, I can do an update statement. And the one I showed in the PowerPoint was setting the employee ID attribute to 5 for all orders within this date range. So after I do that, now when you go to the order table, within the date range that I specified, the employee ID is going to be number 5, which is Mark Brown. And so after I do that, I can do a delete statement. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete all records released within this date range. So after I do that, I can select the records. And you can see some of the entries have been removed. There's a gap in the record ID for some of them. Now I'm going to do a selection statement. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the most expensive records, but I'm only going to have the 5 most expensive records. So as you can see, there's only 5 entries and it's sorted from most expensive down. Now for the join statement, I'm going to make a join statement that shows the order IDs and the customer name that's associated with them. So Jane Doe submitted order 1, Charlotte Miller for order 2, and so on. Now for the stored function I want to show, this one shows the total remaining stock across all records. So when I select it, the total stock is going to be lower, remember, because I just deleted some records. And now the view I'm going to create is one that tracks the total amount of orders that each employee has received. So when I select that, you can see employee 4 has received 1 order, employee 5 has received 4 orders.